enlighten you about the national budget, as well as the role of the Ministry of Finance and the public service. And we have an informative, fun-filled morning planned just for you.
This year, the non-debt expenditure of the budget is $850 billion. How much of that gets spent on education? 20% approximately, let's say 19%, approximately $160 billion. So you can see what a big chunk of it education gets.
We still have to find innovative and creative ways of getting Jamaicans involved in the budgetary conversation, as we believe that understanding the budgetary process is a way of sensitizing the public at large as to how the overall budget works and what goes into the budgetary process.
Is to educate and empower our students to become informed and responsible citizens.
Everything we heard during this morning will instill key skills and insights that will help us academically, but also guide you to be better leaders and contributors to Jamaican society.
Of the word budget, can you tell me what comes to mind? Somebody says money. I don't know, you're all great because I expect to hear responses. I expect to become fine in responses. So somebody says money, somebody says savings, what else? What other words come to mind when you hear about budgeting?
Income.
Limit. Why would limit come to mind when you think of budgeting?
Because when you're budgeting, you kind of limit the amount of money you're going to spend, so it's kind of like a plan.
But as limits relates to it now, you don't want to overset that money budgeted as I said, it's an estimated amount. The actual figures compared to estimated amounts, you don't want to overset that.
When the budget is tabled and approved, the ministries will spend the money. There is an oversight process. So after the funds are spent, the Auditor General audits the accounts of the ministry, departments, and state involved.
You might have suspected that we're going to be doing a quiz challenge because if Jago comes to St. Catherine, we have to test them, right? To let our people introduce themselves in the meantime.
Hi, I'm Jamar Perkins and I'm representing the 24 School Challenge Quiz Champion!
Good morning everyone, I'm Janelle Bell from 12 Alpha and I'm representing the Mighty Conquerors.